If you be installer, solar installer, come, we get talk. Talk to the install this kind of setting using a transformer-based inverter on a lithium battery and charging your lithium battery with charge controller. You go damage the battery. It dey very wrong. I will tell you two reasons why it dey very wrong. One, the inverter. Transformer-based inverter get big transformer inside where they cause losses. That losses, they always dey run down your lithium battery. Yes, they always dey run down your lithium battery. So whether you dey use your lithium battery or you no dey use am, e go dey drain the battery. Number two, your charge controller. Stop dey use charge controller dey charge your lithium battery. You dey damage the battery because you no dey communicate your lithium battery to your controller. Most of una no know say they dey communicate lithium battery to controller because you no dey read your manual. Yes, you no dey read your manual. Some of una go say yes, I don select lithium for controller. Lithium no dey work with DC cable. Lithium dey always dey work with BMS to BMS, and na only through communication cable that one go fit work. So if you no communicate your battery to your what is it called, to your controller, it means say you don bypass a BMS of that battery. That means you dey charge that battery without BMS, and the inverter dey drain that battery without BMS protocol. That one will damage your battery. So instead of doing this system, do this one. Use transformer-based inverter and the lithium battery. The transformer-based na hybrid. Why I talk like that? Make I explain. Make I start with the inverter. We get different type of inverter, but for this video, I go only mention three. One na hybrid inverter, one na this one transformer-based inverter, and one na non-hybrid inverter. Transformer inverter get big transformer inside wey dey cause losses. That losses go always dey drain your battery, even though say you dey use the system or you no go use am. The inverter itself will become load to the battery. That is why even though you dey use your battery or you no dey use your battery, e go still dey drain. Make we talk about the controller. To use controller charge lithium battery go make the battery overwork itself. Make I use simple sense explain am before I talk the second one. One, continuous drilling or deep drilling. Wetin that one mean? You know say from solar panel enter your controller, from your controller feed the battery, and from the battery go to your inverter, which means the cycle will continue from morning till night. Your battery no go ever rest. As your battery dey charge, e dey discharge. Come back say if you dey use controller dey charge your lithium battery, e mean say you don bypass the lithium battery BMS. And you know say lithium battery without connecting the BMS mean say that lithium battery just dey useless. E no dey do im function. Now, instead of you to do this kind of installation, do this kind of installation. Yes, use hybrid inverter, transformerless, and lithium battery. Make I explain the advantage of using that kind of inverter. Hybrid inverter na modification of this transformer-based inverter. Now, instead of transformer, they change am to transformer chips. That one no dey get losses. So even though say you dey run am or you no dey run am, your battery no go discharge. That one na one. Hybrid gets controller inside the inverter. So if the load wey you dey use for your house dey more or dey equal to wetin sun dey produce, hybrid go automatically adjust itself and direct the light wey dey come, the energy wey dey come from solar panel, convert am and send to the house direct. Then your battery go dey rest. If the energy wey dey come from sun dey more than wetin you dey consume for your house, part of am go dey enter the battery while part of am go dey go the house. E mean say your battery dey charge well. E also mean say you no dey charge your battery at the same time dey discharge am, because hybrid go share the load, go share the energy. Sun dey enter the battery direct and sun dey go direct to the house. And hybrid go only collect the one wey dey equal to the load wey you dey use for the house, then direct the rest to the battery. If your load dey more than wetin the solar panel dey produce, hybrid go adjust himself. E go collect 80% of the energy wey you need from sun and collect 20 for the battery to feed the house. That one na the advantage